Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on System. Then let's tap on Languages and enter System Languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently applied languages. I've got English and Greek. So let's start with adding a new one. Just tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me pick Turkish. Just tap and choose the region. As you can see, the new language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English, in my case, is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. So let me tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language, so just tap on Change. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position, tap on Change, and here we've got English or any other language. Of course, if you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon, tap on Remove, then mark the languages you want to delete, and tap on Delete. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.